What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Tia. You can call me Tia or Sunny, whichever one you want to like. And today I'm giving you guys rich, you know, like I need to be on a business magazine, you know what I'm saying, like Forbes. That's what I'm feeling. So yeah, I mean, like, what did Usher say? Don't leave your girl around me, true player for real. That's my, for real. Don't leave your man around me, true player for real. But yeah, I created this look using the Deck of Scarlet palette in collaboration with Raven Elyse, and I am shook to the core, okay? Raven, we're gonna have to fight, girl, because you did not have to create a palette like this, okay? You did not. Because look at my eye. Look at my face. Look at my lip. But no, like this, wow. You know, this is that look that you wanna just pop out with your girls. But yeah, this is that look. So if you guys wanna see what I did to get this look right here, just keep on watching. I gotta brain freeze. Oh my gosh. Come on. Let's get my freaking started. Okay. I wish I had some gum right now. I want to look a little glowy tonight. So I'm about to do my face and you know, I just want to look cute or whatever. So took these two in my last video and my foundation came out so good. So I'm gonna do it again. I'm gonna take these two again. I'm sorry, guys, like, I'm a creature of habit sometimes. And when something works with each other, like the two products work together, I just, sorry, I just have to keep using it. But at least you guys know, like, I like the product, you know? I'm not just saying I like it, that I never use it again. So I got my nails done. So if I'm just like a little bit extra with my fingers, you know, sorry, but not sorry at the same time, because I mean, just look. I knew these nails was gonna look cute with my my hair like this, so I was like, oh yeah, I just have to do it. But who is she? Because look at my nails though. Like, I use my hands to talk, so if I'm just a little, like a slightly extra with my hand gestures in this video, I'm sorry. I'm not really like sorry, but when it's said, wait, that's not the words. Hey, look at that lyric video again. You spirit. So I'm gonna take these two foundations. This is the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop, and then this one is the Maybelline Matte and Poreless. Everything's gonna be like left in the description box for you guys to check out. But yeah, I'm just gonna take these two foundations and put them all over my face. If y'all see my lips crusty or my hands ashy, or you know what I'm saying, just let me know. Give your girl some constructive criticism, and constructive, polite criticism. Don't be rude, because then I'm gonna have to block you. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and blend out my concealer. Blend until your arm gets tired of blending, okay? That's when you know you've blended enough. I am going to take my makeup, well, this is Makeup Revolution London Revolution concealer in the Fun Concealer, and I'm going to take the color C15 and I'm going to contour my face. Ooh, it's time to do my nose contour. This is my favorite part, coming straight down this like line. Can you say on point? Like, look at that nose contour. Oh my goodness. So I'm about to set my face. I'm just gonna use a powder, like a yellowish powder under my eye. And then I am going to set my contour with a powder too. That's all I do to set my contour. I don't really do too much, like adding a whole bunch of powder and stuff, because I don't like cakey makeup. So yeah, but now I am going to wipe away this powder on my face. So this is like so freaking important to me, and I was super excited when BACKKK Scarlet reached out to me to collab with them on the new BACKKK Scarlet and Raven Elyse palette. Oh my gosh. First of all, I love Raven Elyse. Like, she is just so lit. Like, she's a vibe in her, like, she's just a vibe, you know what I mean? I don't know her personally, but I just love her channel. I love what she's about. Like, she's just cool. So yeah, this is how her palette looks, and first of all, congratulations to you. So this is how the palette looks. It has a sleeve, so you can leave it in this black sleeve if you want, you know, to put it in your makeup case so it doesn't get dirty and stuff. But this is how the palette looks. So it has 3 eyeshadows right here, a highlighter and a blush, and then it has 2 lip shades, and it also has a mirror in the inside. That's lit. Yes. All right, so I'm gonna take the color Bay and use this as my transition color. That's pigment though. Okay, so if you guys don't know who BACKKK Scarlet is, they are a subscription service. So it's actually it's a subscription service and a makeup line now. When they first came out, I believe it was just a subscription service, but they, you know, broadened their horizon and opened it up into a makeup line, which is really cool. So their subscription service is every 2 months you'll get a palette. So most of the time their palette has like a blush, a highlighter, 3 eyeshadows, and then 2 lip colors, and like an eyeliner to, you know, line your eyes with or whatever. So I'm just working this joint in here for my transition, getting it nice and like red, because I'm really inspired by my nails right now. So I want to create like a mauve look today. I am really happy for Raven Elyse though, because this is really an amazing accomplishment. Like, you don't see a lot of black influencers getting things like this, like working with companies and creating their palette with them. Like, you don't see that a lot. So I'm just really excited that she got the opportunity to like get her own palette. Like, that's just, it's lit. Like, do you see this blend though? Do you see how well it blended in with my skin? I need to throw this daggone brush in the trash because look at this. It is peeling. Bleh. Alright, so I'm going to take Balm, and then I'm going to add this on the outer corner to darken this look up a little bit. Actually, I'm going to take Balm and Bay. See how that looks together. Excuse me? Y'all, like, what is going on? Another brush that is beat up. Like, somebody just... I am so confused. I've only had this for 2 years. That's not a long time, right? Like, some people have their makeup brushes for like 5, 10 years. The hand... Why? I'm about to cry. Oh my gosh, that is so funny. Like, I was just about to say it's like really loose, and no, it's off. It's gone. Okay, so anyways, I'm gonna take this Anastasia brush. It is Duo, double-sided, and I'm going to take my concealer. This is from Revolution, and I'm gonna cut a little crease out. And then I'm just taking my finger and just like blending the ending of the concealer because I don't want it to be like harsh. Now for the best part, I am about to pack this color called Zaya That is so cute. She named it after her daughter. So freaking cute. So I'm picking up this color on my broke brush, but I'm going to pack this on my lid. Let me spray my brush. Let me spray it because I already know the shade is going to be lit. So let me just spray my brush first. I'll pick it up again. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Okay. It's like a metallic-y, a little metallic-y frilly shade. I love it. So I'm gonna take a little bit, like a slight bit of Bay, and I'm gonna put this under my eyes for real and just like smoke it out a little bit. Not really smoke it out, but just put something under there for real. So now I'm going to line my eyes real quick. And then I'm gonna line the top part with the Deck of Scarlet Long Lasting Liquid Eyeliner and Throwback Black. That's a cute name. That's a real cute name. So I'm gonna take literally, and I'm going to highlight. This is her highlight shade. Okay. I mean, oh my god. Wow. Oh my god. Okay, so these are the perfect lashes. Literally, when I put them on, oh my gosh. It is going to bring the whole entire look together. Shook. Do you see what we're working with here? Do you see? Do you see? So I'm just going to line my lips first. I'm using the MAC Quick Lip Liner. Alright, I'm going to take Shameless and pop this on. Whoa. I did not expect it to be that bright. Alright, but I'm going to prop this on the center of my lips to make it a nice little cute ombre. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is take my Hangover. I haven't used this in so long, but this is a Too Faced Hangover 3-in-1. This is really nice to refresh your face. And this foundation is like really matte right now. So I'm just going to use this to bring that moisture back so I can stop being dry. Went up my nose. Ugh. Oh, and I cannot forget about my beauty marks, so let me do that real quick. Cause it's 11:30 and the club is jumping, jumping. Leave your man at home. I ain't thinking about my man tonight, no. The club is full of ballers and their pockets full grown. So that is the end of this makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and of course found it useful, helpful, and hopefully inspiring. If you did, definitely give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below if you want to see more. Definitely comment down below what you want to see next. You know, what you want to see next time. My next video, let me know. Also, if you guys want to get this Deck of Scarlet palette collaboration with Raven Elyse, it will be $21 if you use my link down below. It's not an affiliate link, like I don't get money from that link. This video is sponsored by Deck of Scarlet, but I don't get money from that link. So usually it's $29.95 every other month, but if you use the link down below, you can get this palette, get this look, and it'll be $21. But yeah, thank you for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you are not subscribed to my channel, definitely subscribe to my channel down below. Just click that red button. Also, if you're not following me on my Instagram, I'm on Instagram at naturally.sunny, so you guys can go ahead and add your girl, follow me on there, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, I love you guys so freaking much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.